Discovered CLP files from old Windows Clipboard saves and need to access their contents? These store clipboard data from legacy Windows versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Windows Clipboard content files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful CLP inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A CLP file stores data copied to the Windows Clipboard. Users encounter this when they copy rich content, like images or formatted text, and want to save it for later use. The primary user intent is to understand why this file was created and how to view its contents, which can be done by pasting into a compatible application. The CLP format is a binary container designed by Microsoft to hold various data types simultaneously, such as text, bitmaps, and metafiles. This structure allows the operating system to efficiently manage and transfer complex selections between different applications, preserving formatting and object data during copy and paste operations. When viewing the file metadata, the CLP shows a direct link to Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your CLP file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft Windows first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If your CLP file will not open, do not worry. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, opening in legacy Windows. Use Windows XP or earlier versions which included the Clipboard Viewer utility supporting CLP files. Run clipbr.exe or access through Start menu programs. Accessories System Tools. Use File then Open to load CLP files, restoring the saved clipboard content for pasting into applications, or saving in other formats for modern use. Next, Modern Clipboard Tools. Use modern clipboard management tools like Clipmate Ditto or Microsoft PowerToys with Clipboard Manager features. While these tools cannot directly open legacy CLP files, they provide superior clipboard management capabilities. Convert CLP content using legacy Windows, then save in modern formats for use with current clipboard management applications. Finally, Content Recovery. Extract specific content types from CLP files using legacy Windows tools, then save in modern formats. Text content can be saved as TXT or RTF files, images as BMP or PNG files. This conversion preserves valuable clipboard content in formats accessible to modern applications independent of legacy Windows Clipboard utilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.